In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and organize YouTube creators in the Phoenix real estate space for outreach and research. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and easy to follow. The goal here is to build a clean list of relevant YouTube channels by searching for a few targeted phrases, narrowing the results properly, and then organizing the information in a spreadsheet so it's actually useful later. Start by going to YouTube and searching for the phrases Phoenix real estate, moving to Arizona, and Arizona housing market. These search terms help you uncover creators who are already making content around local real estate, relocation topics, and market updates. That's important because each of those themes attracts a slightly different audience, and together they give you a broader view of the niche. As you review the results, apply the channel filter. This is a key step because it removes individual videos from the results and helps you focus specifically on creator accounts. That makes the research process much faster and more organized, especially if you're trying to build a list of potential partners, competitors, or creators worth tracking. Once you have the filtered results, begin compiling the channel information into Excel or Google Sheets. For each creator, record the creator name, subscriber count, and any business inquiry email that is publicly available. Keep the formatting consistent as you go. For example, make sure subscriber counts are written in the same style across the sheet, and place each type of information in its own column. A clean spreadsheet will save you time later if you want to sort, filter, or compare creators. As you collect channels, tag each one by niche. Use the labels luxury, first-time buyers, or relocation, depending on the type of content they focus on most. If a creator mainly highlights high-end properties or upscale communities, tag them as luxury. If their content is centered on explaining the buying process, affordability, or helping new buyers navigate the market, tag them as first-time buyers. If they mostly create videos for people moving from out of state or adjusting to life in Arizona, tag them as relocation. Take your time with this part because accurate tagging makes your list far more valuable. When you're done, you'll have a structured database of YouTube creators in the Arizona real estate space that's easy to review, update, and use for future outreach or analysis.